ano kami guys, Iloilo. Huwag kang gigit na. Diretso lang. Diretso lang. Don't panic, don't panic.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. They said slow down, some take your time, but I was born running every stop sign.
Napapansin kasi namin. Parang walang pupunta dito. Hindi siya nauubusan ng sale. Kaya yun, try namin. Yun, sabi nila masarap ang pagkain. Ano pang dapat abangan?
Yung island, maganda daw.
Yun. So, island hopping. Masarap pagkain. Maraming museum.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke, I've been blessed, carry faith in an empty chest till now.
Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Iloilo International Airport.
Touchdown, Iloilo Airport, let's go!
The stars are down like good old friends, saying boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight.
Hindi, try mo.
Yan, nakapili na sila ng kanilang mga bisikleta.
Picture.
Choose your fighter. Ayan si Kuya Kurt, pinauna na siya kasi naiiwan daw siya kanina. Dito siya sa likod ng ating tour guide na si Kuya. Patience lang, patience. Nagiging comfy na siya. Kanina kasi medyo gumigewang-gewang. Kaway. Yan o. Kunwari di na-stress. Oh, go.
Wow, jacket pa mo.
Di na may. Walang insurance pa mo to. Oh, pwede na kami mag-bike sa daan.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Sky is the limit.
Chill lang tayo dito guys. Buti na lang gumanda yung panahon. Kanina kasi sobrang init. Pero sana wag naman umulan.
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control tonight. Every doubt just feeds a flame. Every scar reminds me why
Dessert. Ang flavor to.
Oatmeal.
So, bibig ka.
Cheese.
Ay, calamansi. Galing.
JD's.
JD's Cafe.
Dali mo lang po yung istoryahon niya.
Sa Carles Park, 4 hours away from our accommodation sa Iloilo City. Ayan siya. Sobrang layo. Kumuha kami ng package dito. Pangalan niya is Gigantes Island Island Hopping kasama Sikogon. So Gigantes plus Sikogon. Pipili ka ng tour dito. Pwedeng kasama yung Sikogon. Pwede ring hindi. Yung hindi kasama yung Sikogon, may kasama siyang hike. No? Para sa merong land tour.
May mga 360 view.
Kumbaga sa Aurora, parang yun yung Batanes of the East na may maikling hike. So kami, hindi na namin yung in-avail. Doon na lang kami sa puro island hopping. Swimming. Para at least yung hindi ka na kukuha ng damit or magdadala ng damit pang hike, magdadala ng damit pang swimming. So puro swimming na lang. Yun nga lang, yung mga locations, it vary depending on the season, ganun, high tide, low tide. So may mga times na hindi mo mapupuntahan yung isang area.
Nahirapan siya.
So it really depends. Sabi nila yung lagoon, di daw yun, isa sa mga pinupuntahan yung lagoon, sayang, di namin siya mapupuntahan, pero malay mo mapag-big yan. Dito na kami sa unang island. First stop, yan. Sikogon Island. 1 hour. 1 hour away from the Carles Port. So, sulit naman kasi maganda naman. White beach, tapos hindi rin naman ganun kadami yung tao. And maganda rin yung dagat. Clear. Sulit. Yan, sabi nila jellyfish season, so dapat mag-ingat. Pero hindi naman ganun kadami. Meron, pero makapag-swimming ka pa rin naman. Yan, ano na lang, be attentive. So huwag kayo matakot kahit sabi nila jellyfish season. Kaya sulit to, no? Para ka na rin nagburakay. Siyempre hindi siya kasing level, pero malapit.
The stars are down like good old friends, saying, boy, don't stop when the sky just ends.